living out here in the woods comes with a few difficulties. Being full-time RVers, we have to put up with a lot of stuff, including a barking dog. But one thing we shouldn't have to put up with is clean water, which at campgrounds, especially here in the state of Florida, is rare. Until now. Welcome everybody to an unboxing video like no other of something that's actually pretty, hopefully it's something we actually really need, and hopefully it works the way it's intended. The company Purewell reached out to me, oh god, about a month ago and said, hey, would you like to try one of our portable water purifiers? And I said, hey, you know, we got this thing over here, thinking that's going to be it, thinking that this here is actually going to be enough to keep our water clean. But come to find out, it's really not. We have an ice maker inside that just constantly produces ice, and you could see the ice changing from clean to dirty rather fast, just using this thing here. So that thing over there, that water purifier, should do the trick and keep that ice crystal clear for quite some time, no matter how dirty the water. That's my expectations. If you're looking to purchase this, that's the company right there, Purewell. There will be a description and a clickable link in the description. And you know what? We might even throw in a little barking chihuahua if she doesn't hush up. If you want to check out their product links, you can also just click this right here on your phone. There's the QR code, or whatever that thing is called. Just click it. Now, I'm hoping once I open it up that the dog would stop barking. But she's a little dog, they always bark. But my plan is to possibly keep it outside and connect it to the outdoor water, and then and just run it in that way. I don't know if if it can be left outside or if it needs to be indoors. If it needs to be indoors, that could be kind of difficult because we connect to the water from outside, and we don't want to run a garden hose inside the house. It just wouldn't work. She's barking at nothing. Okay, so tape is off. Let's open it up and get a first look. Oh, what do we get here at the very tip top? This here is probably going to be important for something like this. So it's all, oh, okay, it comes in a sleeve. I have to do this one-handed because I could not find the thing to mount my camera onto my tripod. Get off of there. Not happy? Not satisfied with your products? Tell us why and we'll make things right. Scan QR code to contact us. Okay, well, okay, portable user manual. Okay, I'm really curious if this can be used outside, or does it have to be under a sink, which wouldn't be good for us. Okay, it says inside this box we have the purifier, we have a filter, we have a pre-filter, we have a bunch of pipe, a faucet, a type C, user manual, soft floats, don't know what those are, and an accessory bag. Okay, so that's quite a bit. And that's how it's all put together. That's how everything is done there. Done there. Okay, I'm just curious. Okay, here it does say we've seen some good outdoor water filters. So this is an outdoor water filter, but Purewell K8680 revolutionized the upgrade to 10 stages of filtration system to ensure safety and clarity of outdoor drinking water and control the load for up to 8 hours. Large water yield flow can be used by groups of 20 people at a time. This is an unprecedented innovation. It will bring outdoor camping and dining people the best drinking experience. Okay, so that is cool. So it is an outdoor one. I just don't know if I can connect the garden hose to it. I got to yank it out of the box and see. But something else that I seen here when I was flipping through this, that let's go over here. I think it's 1 or 2 more pages back. One more. So it has a Type C on the on there too. It has a charge port, so it doesn't even. It has its own internal battery, and also it can be used to charge like your laptops and rechargeable batteries and keep your cell phone charged. So that's kind of nice. So not only does it clean the water, it keeps your devices charged. All right, time to break into it and see what this thing is like. The squirrels are up there jumping around the trees, attacking me by dropping things. Anyway, back to the product at hand. So it comes in this incredible, nice case, thick case. Ugh. Yeah, and you can see that it's not a very large product. I mean, look at that, that's my hand. It's not very large. I mean, well, at least the bag isn't. And all the stuff they said was inside takes up a lot more of the space. So right off the bat, we got a charging adapter with wall plugs, USB Type C. Let's put that off to the side. Here we got portable filters. So these are filters. Let's see what we got in here. Here are the filters, rather small. Now I am curious if you have to order these things online or from their store specifically, or if you could purchase things like this at a camping store, and that, you know, when the filters need to be changed, how do you do it? It looks like we got a few, you know, at least if these are the filters that slide in here, we got at least 3 changes. And then in here we got what I'm assuming is, let's see, made of stainless steel, so this is probably the piping, I'm assuming. Doesn't say, but I can guess. And we got the unit itself. Fairly small, but big enough to keep 20 people hydrated with clean, purified H2O. High quality H2O if you were the water boy. Okay, there it is in all of its glory. And what I like is this handle where you can pick it up. It's spring loaded, so you just put it down. Oh, and if you get lost, look at that, there's a compass. Okay, this thing just got worth its weight in gold. I mean, if you get lost a lot. Yeah, there is nothing in it at the moment. I mean, it's not connected at all, but I am curious. It does charge devices. Is there does it need to be charged? Yeah, it didn't come with a charge. Oh well. I don't know if I'm gonna have to figure out how to use this, because there is no place to put the garden hose to go into the house. There's a raw plug here. Oh, are these buttons? Are these? No, this is where the metal tubing has to go. So there's raw, pure, and dirty. So raw water goes in, pure water comes out, dirty water exits right here. Okay, it looks like this is specifically for hardcore camping. Let's say you're out in the woods and you're next to a stream, or you are next to some sort of body of water, like the lake, maybe right down the road here at the lake. So that filter, you would actually drop it into the water, and then it would suck from that, purify it. Any of the impurities would flush out one hose, and then the middle hose would be your drinking water, and then so you have the 3 hoses: the intake, the clean water, and the dirty water. So it's not exactly what I thought it would be, though we will definitely use it. I mean, we could use it in the house, but there has to be a way to connect it to the garden hose at the campgrounds to purify the water that comes from the spigots that we plug everything into. We go through these filters like crazy. This water is not the cleanest water that comes out of here, out of the, you know, ground. And we were kind of hoping when they asked me to do the review that, you know, we can take our drinking water hose, which goes over here, directly into the side of the RV right here. And I was thinking disconnect the hose, plug it into the filter, and then have a second hose that screws back into the RV. And that way it goes to recycle a loop and cleans the water as it goes in to the kitchen sink and the shower and the ice maker, most important. It doesn't look like it does that. It is actually very portable. Like, I mean, I can sit here, just pick it up. Ooh, that's how portable it is. So if you're camping, let's say you're tent camping or pickup truck camping, and you got to, you know, you're down by a water source and you need the water cleaned, you could do it. Probably fairly simple. Or if you got like a 5-gallon bucket and you scoop water out of the lake, you put this right beside it and put that filter in the bucket of dirty water. It'll purify it so you could drink it, cook with it, do whatever. Just the way we live in a little tiny trailer like this, we need something that will connect to a hose and then have a second hose that runs directly into the trailer. That way it's purified before going in. This will not do that as far as I can tell. But I will be testing it. If I have to fill the kitchen sink up with water and see how it purifies it, it could be exciting. You know, and plus, the ice maker is not connected to water. We have to scoop water into it from out of the kitchen sink. So we could feasibly put the kitchen sink water somewhere, put the filter in that, filter the water, and then dump filtered water into the ice maker. So it, no matter what, it still could work. Because basically, that's what we're going to use this for, is clean water for the ice maker. And if we get lost, we could use it for that too. I would say this is perfect for, like, say you live in Arizona, you're snowbirding out in Arizona, New Mexico, or you're a nomad that just does the whole courtside stuff. The water out there may not be the best, and let's say you live in a box van or you know, you're car camping and stuff like that. Like if I was out in my Tesla doing some car camping in the Tesla, maybe doing a cross-country trip, you bring like some water with you and stuff like that, and you have this in your car, you can purify the water from anywhere. So if you're a car camper, a small van lifer and stuff like that, something like this would be probably perfect, because you're going to be carrying portable water with you and you need that water cleaned. This probably got you covered. So being able to drop this, hook a Type-C to it, and charge your phones and your other devices while you're out, yeah, that's something that everybody could use. Because this was just basically an unboxing and first impressions video, let me give you my impressions, and we'll go from there. And in one of my other videos coming up, I will find a way to use this and show you guys how well it works or doesn't work. I'm assuming it's going to work really well. They sent me the product to do a video on, so they got to be pretty sure of their product. I can tell you now, this is metal. It's metal. This whole thing's metal. The top part here is plastic. The handle here is metal, and it's spring-loaded, which is great. Compass, I don't know if it works. I forgot how to even use one. My Boy Scout and military days are over. If it was charged, I know it would show a bunch of different stuff, you know, here on the display. Just at the moment, it does not, unless I gotta hold it. Let's see, let's hold it and see. Yeah, no, the battery's dead. It hasn't been charged. But yeah, lightweight, sturdy. I don't know if it could be dropped or thrown, or if it bounces around. Well, you're not going to carry this in your backpack anyway. This is going to be in a vehicle. Oh, it has a light too, so you do got a light right there in case you're getting water at nighttime. So yeah, I think it's pretty sweet. I just wish I could use it right now. What is this? Some sort of loop, maybe a tie down, so you could tie the thing down so it doesn't, like if it's in the back of your pickup truck or in the back of your car or something like that, you're going camping that way, you can tie it down so it doesn't tip over. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot, actually. I just wish I can hook it up right now. My plan was to do an unboxing and a second video tying it in right there, but that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna go ahead and put this away for now because I gotta get back out and work, but sometime this week, I am gonna shoot a second video. Maybe I'll charge it up. We'll go down to the lake and purify some water, some alligator infested water. That could be a video. Stay tuned for that one. Peace, everybody.